Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Are you tired of your kitchen feeling cramped, or maybe you're looking for a versatile cooking solution for your RV or dorm room? Today, we're diving deep into the Cooksir single-burner electric cooktop, a portable infrared hot plate promising faster meal prep and serious convenience. Does it live up to the hype, or is it just another gadget collecting dust? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about its most immediate appeal, which is its portability and compact design. This cooktop is built to be light and easy to move. Whether you have a small kitchen where counter space is at a premium, or you enjoy camping and want to bring a bit of home cooking with you, this unit is designed to fit in. The sensor touch control is a nice modern touch. It's supposed to make operation quicker and more intuitive, which is definitely a plus when you're trying to juggle cooking and other tasks. It doesn't take up much space, making it ideal for those limited living situations or for occasional use. Now, onto the performance. The Cooksir boasts an 1800 watt output, which is quite substantial for a single burner. The claim is that it cooks faster and saves energy. Faster cooking times are always a win, especially during busy weeknights or when entertaining. The idea of reduced household energy consumption is also appealing, and if it can indeed save you money on your utility bills while still getting your meals ready promptly, that's a significant advantage. This can be a real game changer for weekend parties or festivals, allowing you to expand your cooking capabilities beyond your main stove. One of the standout features is the timer and safety system. The ability to set a timer from 1 minute all the way up to 4 hours is incredibly useful. This allows for hands-off cooking for longer periods, giving you peace of mind. Beyond the timer, the inclusion of a safety lock and an auto safety shut-off feature are crucial. These are not just buzzwords, they translate to a safer cooking environment, especially if you have children or pets, or if you're simply prone to being a bit absent-minded in the kitchen. This provides that essential layer of comfort and security during use. Compatibility is another big selling point. Unlike induction cooktops that restrict you to specific magnetic cookware, this infrared hot plate works with virtually any type of pot or pan. We're talking stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, ceramic, and glass. It supports cookware sizes from 4.7 to 9 inches in diameter, which covers most common household pots and pans. This versatility means you don't need to buy a whole new set of cookware just to use this portable burner. That's a significant cost-saving and convenience factor. The description highlights its multi-place usability, and this really emphasizes its flexibility. It's not just for the kitchen. You can easily take this camping, use it in an RV, or even in a dorm room where traditional stoves might not be an option. Its lightweight and compact nature makes it easy to transport and even easier to store away when not in use. And, of course, we always hope for easy cleaning, and the smooth surface of these types of cooktops usually makes that a reality. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. The pros are clear: it's portable, it has a good power output for its size, the touch controls are modern, the timer and safety features are robust, and it's incredibly versatile with cookware. The energy-saving claim is also a major draw. However, there are always things to consider. While it's advertised as faster, infrared cooktops can sometimes take a little longer to reach their maximum heat compared to direct heat sources or powerful induction. The touch controls, while sleek, might not be as tactile or responsive for everyone, especially if your hands are wet or greasy. And for those who are accustomed to the instant heat response of gas stoves, any electric cooktop will have a slight learning curve. Also, while it's designed for energy saving, 1,800 watts is still a considerable draw of electricity, so users should be mindful of their home's electrical capacity. In conclusion, the Cooksir single-burner electric cooktop appears to be a solid option for anyone needing a flexible, portable, and safe cooking solution. Its wide cookware compatibility, handy timer, and safety features make it a compelling choice for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, and even for outdoor enthusiasts. It promises convenience and efficiency, and based on the features, it seems to deliver on those promises. If you're looking for an added cooking surface that doesn't break the bank or require a complete kitchen overhaul, this could be it. Link in the description.